Got another Taylor Swift lesson for you from her new album Folklore. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Hoax. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this album. Enjoy! So for this song, we're going to place the capo on the first fret, and the verse is made up of 4 chords, the first of which is an A minor chord. So you're going to place your middle finger on the second fret of the D string, your ring finger on the second fret of the G string, and your pointer finger on the first fret of the B string. Next is a G major chord, so you're going to place your middle finger on the third fret of the low E string, your pointer finger on the first fret of the A string, your ring finger on the third fret of the B string, and your pinky finger on the third fret of the high E string. Next is an E minor chord, so you're going to place your middle finger on the second fret of the A string, and your ring finger on the second fret of the D string. And then last is a D major chord. So you're going to place your pointer finger on the second fret of the G string, your ring finger on the third fret of the B string, and your middle finger on the second fret of the high E string. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the chorus, which is also the outro, uses the same chords that the verse uses. They're just arranged differently. So it goes E minor, A minor, D major, then G major. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the third verse is a little different than the first two. It contains 4 chords, the first of which is an A major chord, which we already learned. Then a G major chord, which we also learned already. Then a C major chord, so you're going to place your ring finger on the third fret of the A string, your middle finger on the second fret of the D string, and your pointer finger on the first fret of the B string. And then a D major chord, which we also learned already. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the last part you need to know is the bridge. It's made up of 3 chords, the first of which is a G major chord, which we already learned. Then a C major chord, which we also learned already. And then a D major chord, which we also learned already. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Hoax. Like I mentioned, if this lesson helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, and subscribe for more lessons from this album. Thanks.